We are here at Money 2020 Las Vegas. My name is Manasi Dash and I run financial services marketing for VMware globally, and I'm based in Palo Alto. We have with us today Mr. Ilan Buganim, the Chief Technology Officer and the Chief Digital Officer of Bank Leumi. So Ilan, welcome and thank you for your time. So earlier this year, Bank Leumi launched Pepper, a mobile-only bank. What was the journey like and how has the customer response been so far?
So the journey was definitely very exciting, and all the team felt that they are part of something very big, very special. We set to ourselves very high targets, and we said that we want to be the Google and the Facebook of the financial industry. In order to be there, what we wanted is to create a mobile banking focusing on the millennials and provide the customers more transparency, speak with him with a very simple language, and provide services in real time, and also a very innovative services. So when we actually launched so far two applications, the Pepper Pay and Pepper Banking. Pepper Pay for payments and Pepper Banking to provide the basic banking services like deposit, loans, current account. And we're very happy with the results. We see a very strong and constant sustainable growth of customers that are joining us. And they're also giving us a very good feedback, very happy with the result, with the personalization that we are providing, with the total new way and total new language of banking that Pepper is providing to them.
That's great. So Pepper's core banking processes are run on the Temenos core banking platform on top of VMware cloud infrastructure. So today we announced a collaboration between our three companies to bring this advanced digital platform to banks globally based on what was developed for Pepper. So can you talk a little bit about this collaboration and what we are hoping to achieve together?
So Pepper is definitely very innovative, technological, and a banking product, which actually encompasses a broad knowledge and experience that Bank Leumi has locally and also globally. It runs on Temenos core banking and VMware infrastructure and cloud that enables to Pepper to be much more flexible with a very much better time to market that actually gives Pepper the ability to provide new features and needs to the customer in a very short time. So we think that Pepper is actually maybe the bank that is the most ready, that has the highest readiness to the digital era challenges. Today, when we are looking globally, we see that many organizations and institutions, either financial or not financial, wants to build a mobile banking or to enter to this financial marketing world. We think that we can be an accelerator to them using this platform. We can bring this platform and and together with them introduce a platform that is adapted to their needs and to their markets.
So we are at an event today at Money 2020 where we're seeing the application of some great emerging technologies in our industry. What are some of the emerging technologies that you are most excited about and why?
It's definitely just the start of the conference, so I didn't see all the technologies. But what I see is a very strong trend in which the data is very dominant in it. We see that there are lots of investment in data and that all the organizations believe that the data will solve actually yesterday problems and will help to reduce the friction with the customer, which is basic and very important to the new innovative banking.
Like they say in banking, and that's applicable to every industry as well, data is king. So moving on to the next question. So in your opinion, what's next when it comes to digital transformation in our industry?
So we see actually that most of the banks are moving from providing most of the services in branches to internet or mobile. and they need to strengthen their differentiation. In order to do that, they need to be much more proactive, to provide a much more proactive banking in real time with less friction with the customer, and to change their language in order to make it much easier on the customers. If yesterday, when a customer wants to speak with the bank, he needed to understand what is a bank and what are the channels and the communication channels that the bank is providing him, tomorrow the bank will need to learn what is easier to the customer, where the customer resides, and if it's easier for him to communicate with the banks in WhatsApp or in Messenger, that's the way we will do it. And it will be much with less friction. The authentication will be biometric. So I believe that the banking will be much simpler to the customer and will make the life of the banks much more difficult, because every bank will need to build his digital differentiator, and it will be done only with innovation.
Truly a bank of the future, and some excellent insights from Ilan. Thank you for your time, Ilan. Appreciate it.